Hi my friends, and now I tell you how to easy make money on your phone. No worries if you never do it before, you will do a very simple task and earn real money for these actions. Thank you in advance for like and subscription. Don't waste your time, let's do this together. Today is a good day because I found a new application for earn money on your phone. This application code is Banana Bucks. You can earn money on PayPal in this application. For example, now I have two surveys, Inter survey and Profile survey. For each survey I will get money from this app. For example, if I click on Inter survey, I will earn $1 American. It's very cool. All we need is click on continue to survey and finish the survey. Answer a question. Now I completed this survey, click thanks and click next. I just earned $1 American. It's very cool. Complete a survey, and if I refresh a homepage, you will see that now I have $1 American. It's very easy. If you want to withdraw money from this application, you need to go a payment information, click here and type your email of PayPal or Visa or Amazon or our gift cards. Re-enter your email and click a cash out. Minimum payment from this app is $5 American. It's very easy to do. If you open this application for every day, you will earn much money in this application. A link of this cool application where you can earn money on your phone for free will be in the description of this video. I forgot to say about one thing. You can refer a friend here, and after your friend complete each survey, you will earn percent of this earning. It's very important to know if you have friends, if they want to earn money too, you can invite them here and earn money from your friends. Don't forget about this. It was a new application for earn money on your phone. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and thumbs up. Deep down, I believe in you, my friends. Anyway, if you watch my video, you will earn a lot of money. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.